Hey everybody! Happy Friday! So get ready with me for a hangout at my place with two of my friends, including my sister Ivana. It's gonna be a fun Friday. I'm so excited because guess what we're doing today? We're gonna vlog, we're gonna have snacks, have dinner. My dad's gonna bring pizza for dinner, so that's cool. I'm excited for that. So we're gonna vlog at my place again because long time no vlogging at my place. I think the last time I vlogged at my place was back in 2025 where I was doing a outfits tutorial video testing out what outfits to wear for New Year's Eve 2026. Also, I want to see my cousins again, my two cousins, just because I love spending time with them on the holidays doesn't mean I'm not gonna see them again. Of course I will though, right? The only difference is it's gonna be too hard to contact them, or for my two cousins, whatever they have plans, or they're working, or they're busy, or not. But I will talk to my parents about that regarding to the hangout because I want my social life for the summer of 2026 and for the remainder of the year to be successful. Yeah, because why not socialize more than socializing less? Yes. By the way, I'm wearing a dark pink shirt today because guess what I'm gonna do today? I want to do a hot pink summer makeup tutorial look today. So stay tuned because I'm gonna show you guys which eyeshadow palettes, what pink colors I'm gonna be wearing. So it's gonna be exciting. Alright, I'm gonna go with this palette first. And hi, is the camera on? I can see myself on my phone, my makeup products I'm using right now. I want to go with this deep fuchsia purplish pink color. Just pretty cool though. It's almost like a dark pink color. I'm gonna put a little bit because I wanted to put on some hot pink colors. And I don't want to just put too much of this, so I'm just gonna press it down just a little bit. There you go. And let's do the same thing on the other lid. It's gonna be a nice one. And fun Friday. And a very hot pink summer look. A nice hot pink summer makeup look for today. Summer of 2026. This is our summer anthem. Okay, I'm gonna go with this palette right here, and hi again. I can see myself on my cell phone. Oh my god, it must be cool though. I'm gonna go with this pink color called Vacay. That's from that palette that I just bought. So that's cool though. I'm very excited to use it. And by the way, the color does not have to match the color of the shirt that I'm wearing. Does not have to match. As long as I'm doing a hot pink color, it's good. Because I just want my hot pink eyeshadow to look glamorous and slaying. Because I'm the queen of makeup. That's right. That's right, you heard me. The queen of putting on my makeup because I love to. Okay, and I'm gonna go with one more palette. This is a Neon Bright, the ones I have from 2020. I bought this at Five Below. I want to go with these. I'm gonna mix with two different colors, the pink and the salmon pink, just to make it more hot pink color. So that's cool though. By the way, I have a vlog coming out tonight, so I'm not sure what time though, but once I edit the clips, then I'll let you know when's it coming out. Alright, maybe a few minutes before it's uploaded to YouTube. That way I can make sure I uploaded it on time, because I hate when I post vlogs very late. That means I'm wasting my time not doing this, not doing that. Because I love to post vlogs. Never skipping my vlogs, like editing the vlogs all together. Alright, now I'm gonna finish off with this brown liquid eyeliner from Wet n Wild. my makeup has to stay on for at least a few hours to hang out with my friends. Put some mascara on. It's gonna be absolutely cool. Yes, I am the queen of makeup because I love the colors of the eyeshadow, especially the lips. And you know what else? I love wearing fake eyelashes too. Okay, I'm gonna do the mascara on the bottom lashes. I'm gonna put these fake eyelashes on. Now come right back for the final eye look. Okay, so I put on the fake eyelashes and I did the mascara on the bottom lashes. So we're gonna do the Don't Blink pink lipstick from Wet n Wild. This is bright pink. I'm gonna put on a little bit because I don't want to put on too much because I want to just put on some other pink lipstick colors. Alright, now we're gonna go with this Pink Promise 778 lipstick from Revlon. This is a bright pink lipstick. I'm gonna go with one more color. This is a hot pink lipstick from Wet n Wild. Just cool though. Okay, this is the final makeup look. So it's actually cool though, this hot pink look. So stay tuned for the hair and the outfit reveal. Okay guys, this is the final look. Hope you guys like it. Alright, so I'm wearing this curly ponytail with side bangs. And wearing my pink top, this pink shirt. And if you want to see the full outfit, I'm wearing light gray capris and wearing these strap sandals. Just cool though. This is a perfect fit check for today's hangout and for today's vlog. Alright, so thank you all for watching today's makeup tutorial video, the hot pink summer look. If you want to see more videos, give it a big thumbs up. This will be helpful towards my next video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all for watching. Have a good weekend. See you on my next video. And be in the lookout for my new vlog. Bye!